Okay guys, let's go ahead and start with the unboxing process. I just wanted to give you some information about this product. It can store a total of 2.9 liters. It also can reduce the chlorine up to 99.6%. And something very important is that this is made of 304 stainless steel. So it's definitely gonna be avoiding any sort of mold, which is very important when you have this type of products. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the part. And also, as you can see, it's a very convenient design because you can put it in a smaller part, like you can reduce half of its size. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting everything together, and we will use it to take a look at how it works. Here's everything we have inside of the box. Here's the instruction manual. We have the bucket lid. We have the anti-slip base, the filters. This of course for the water to come out. This is the top part, and we're gonna go ahead and put everything together right away. Okay guys, so here's how it looks, our water purifier. It was super easy to put together. It literally took me less than a minute. The only things that you have to make sure that you place in there is the lid part. You just have to install that over here. Inside of here, you just have to put the water filter. Usually you will put 1 or 2, whatever is your preference, and then you have these little guys that you can put on the remaining holes. You're gonna be adding the water, and other than that you only need these two. So very easy to use, very easy to install. It's one of the cheapest way to purify your water. It does not require electricity, and it's an amazing purchase. So I'm very happy with this product, and I hope you guys like it as much as I did.